The internet is the greatest equalizer of wealth in history. Decades ago, making money meant getting a job, working long hours, and hoping for a raise. But today, anyone can tap into the unlimited potential of the internet and build a profitable income stream from anywhere in the world. No degree, no experience, no problem. All you need is one thing: Google. Right now, Google is quietly creating millionaires. It's not just a search engine, it's a gold mine, a platform that handles over 8.5 billion searches per day, generating trillions of dollars in online revenue. And yet, most people are still stuck using Google the wrong way. They search for memes, they look up random trivia, they scroll through endless news articles, but they don't realize that Google is the most powerful money-making tool ever created. Let me ask you something. What if instead of just searching for answers, you could be the one providing the answers and getting paid for it? What if Google's billions of daily visitors could start paying you every single day? And what if I told you that it's 100% free? No ads, no investment, no complicated setup. This isn't some scammy get-rich-quick scheme. There's no secret loophole. This is real, proven, and sustainable. It's how I make $1,250 per day, every day, without spending a single dollar upfront. It's how thousands of people around the world are quietly making 6 and 7 figures using nothing but free tools from Google. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. We'll go step by step through the best methods to turn Google into a passive income machine, the same strategies that allow me to earn thousands per day in ad revenue, get free traffic from Google searches, generate passive commissions with affiliate marketing, build an automated online business that runs 24/7. Anyone can do this. You don't need tech skills. You don't need a huge budget. You don't even need prior experience. You just need Google and the right strategy. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to take advantage of Google's free tools and start building real online income starting today. So, if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, if you're ready to break free from financial stress, if you want to build a life of freedom where money comes in even while you sleep, then keep watching, because this might be the most important video you ever see. Let's get started. Why Google is the best free money-making tool in 2025. There are billions of searches on Google every single day. People are constantly looking for information, services, and solutions to their problems. Google is the world's largest traffic source. And where there's traffic, there's money. The best part, Google rewards those who provide value. If you can solve a problem, answer a question, or connect people to what they need, you can turn that into a full-time income. There are multiple ways to make money with Google, but the most effective ones are Google AdSense, monetizing websites and blogs, YouTube automation and monetization, Google SEO plus affiliate marketing, Google News websites for ad revenue, Google Blogger and content monetization, Google Sites for free website businesses, Google Trends for viral content and profits, Google Maps local business arbitrage, Google Opinion rewards and passive earnings, Google Drive digital product selling. Each of these methods is completely free to start. No investment required, no complicated setup, just Google and the right strategy. Now let's break down each method step by step. 1. Google AdSense. Monetizing websites and blogs. Google AdSense is one of the easiest and most consistent ways to make money online. It works like this. You create a simple website using free tools like Google Blogger or WordPress. You write helpful blog posts on trending topics that people search for. You get traffic from Google Search and Google News. Google places ads on your site and pays you every time someone clicks. The best part, once the blog is set up, it can make money passively. Here's an example. A simple blog about best side hustles in 2025 can attract thousands of visitors. If just 5,000 people visit your site daily, and 1% click on an ad, you can earn $150 per day on autopilot. Google pays every month, and the earnings grow over time. The key is choosing the right niche topics like personal finance, health and fitness, tech reviews, travel hacks, home improvement. The more valuable your content, the more Google pays you. 2. YouTube automation and monetization. YouTube is owned by Google, and it's one of the highest paying platforms in the world. But here's the best part: you don't even need to show your face. This is called YouTube automation. It works like this. Use Google Trends to find popular video topics. Use ChatGPT to generate a video script. Use AI-generated voiceovers to narrate the video. Use free stock footage or AI-generated visuals. Upload to YouTube and monetize with ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Once a video goes viral, it earns money for years. Just one successful channel can make $10,000 a month or more. 3. Google SEO plus affiliate marketing. SEO, search engine optimization, is how websites rank on Google and attract free traffic. Here's how to turn SEO into money. Find a high-demand product on Amazon, ClickBank, or Shopify. Create a simple review blog using Google Sites. Optimize for Google search to rank high. When people search for that product, they find your blog. They click on your affiliate link, buy the product, and you earn a commission. This strategy can generate $100 to $500 per day once traffic builds. It's completely passive, and once your site ranks, it keeps making money 24/7. We've covered a complete roadmap to making $1,250 per day with Google for free. No tricks, no fluff, just real, proven methods that work in 2025. By now, you know that Google isn't just a search engine, it's a money machine waiting to be used. You've seen how people are leveraging free Google tools to generate passive income, build online businesses, and escape the 9-to-5 grind. But let's be real for a second. Most people who watch this will do nothing. They'll hear about the opportunity, they'll feel inspired for a few minutes, and then they'll forget about it. A week will pass, a month will pass, a year will pass, and they'll still be in the same place. Still struggling financially, still stuck in the same job, still wondering why life hasn't changed. But then, there are the action takers. The 1% who actually take what they've learned and apply it. They'll set up a blog and start earning with Google AdSense. They'll launch a faceless YouTube channel and watch their income grow. They'll use Google SEO and affiliate marketing to make money on autopilot. At first, they'll make a few dollars, then a few hundred, then a few thousand, until one day, they wake up and realize they don't need a job anymore. They've built something that pays them while they sleep. That could be you. The only difference between you and the people making money online is one simple decision. Will you be the person who watches, gets inspired, and does nothing? Or will you be the one who takes action and changes everything? Because here's the truth: no one is coming to save you. No one is going to magically hand you financial freedom. You have to take it. And the best part, you already have everything you need. Google is free. The tools are free. The opportunities are waiting for you. But they won't wait forever. Right now, there are people just like you who are starting today. A year from now, they'll be living the life they once dreamed of. And a year from now, you'll either be wishing you had started or grateful that you did. The choice is yours. Your future self is watching. What will you do next?